Hello class, this is Dr. Mackenzie and we are going to do some practice with knowing if a paragraph is a paragraph or if it is not a paragraph. Now remember that all of the sentences for a group of sentences to be a paragraph, all of the sentences need to be about the same topic. So we're going to do some practice with these two example paragraphs from our book. This is from page 170 in the textbook. The first passage says, sports stars in the United States make a lot of money. This is especially true for the most popular team sports, such as basketball, football, and baseball. The best players in these sports get millions of dollars from their teams. They can even make more money from companies that make sports clothes or shoes. These companies will pay stars a lot of money to wear the clothes or shoes that they make. Is this passage a paragraph or not a paragraph? In this case, this passage is a paragraph because all of the sentences in this passage are connected to the same idea about sports stars and money. Now let's look at the second passage. In the United States, many college students eat in the college dining hall. Millions of people around the world also eat at McDonald's every day. The most popular foods there are the hamburgers and French fries. However, fresh fruit and vegetables are very expensive in the United States. Poor families often don't have enough money to buy them. Finally, a Japanese restaurant paid $231 per pound for a whole tuna fish. This was the highest price ever paid for a fish. Is this passage a paragraph or not a paragraph? Correct. This passage is not a paragraph because the sentences are about many different things, not about one main idea. The first passage, it's about one main idea, which is how much money sports stars make. And every sentence in that passage connects to that same topic. But in the second passage, it's about many different things. College students, McDonald's, the cost of food. So that is not a paragraph because they are not connected to one topic. I hope this helps you understand when you're practicing in the next couple of pages in the textbook.